Why did your date suddenly get quiet?
She asked about the restaurant.
So I said,
I think it was okay.
That probably sounded colder than you intended.
Wait,
I meant it in a positive way.
The word okay can sound a little disappointed. And when you add I think, it creates more emotional distance.
So I sounded bored?
A little.
Especially on a date.
then what sounds warmer?
You could say something like, I really liked it.
The pasta was actually great.
That sounds much more alive.
Emotions often feel stronger when you speak more directly.
That explains so many awkward dates.